Over 60 plus, add this to your coffee to rebuild muscles fast. What if I told you that the very same morning ritual you've enjoyed for decades, that comforting cup of coffee you cherish, could actually become your secret weapon, not just for waking up, but for genuinely rebuilding the strength and vitality you might think you've lost forever? For too long, many of us over 60 have simply accepted muscle loss as an unavoidable, disheartening part of getting older. We've watched our legs grow weaker, found ourselves struggling with everyday tasks, and perhaps even given up activities we once loved, all because our muscles seem to be quietly fading away. But I'm here to tell you right now that simply isn't the whole story. Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing you have a simple, affordable way to reclaim that youthful bounce in your step, the ease in climbing stairs, and the confidence to lift groceries or play with your grandkids without a second thought. All of this can start by adding just one cheap kitchen ingredient to your beloved morning brew, unlocking a natural ability your body still possesses, using something you probably already have at home. Most people might believe muscle loss is an inevitable part of aging, but after over 12 years studying muscle health in older adults as a nutrition researcher, I've discovered powerful, natural ways to counteract it. The medical term for this common decline in muscle mass as we age is sarcopenia, and it truly can steal our independence. However, the secret to fighting it isn't just about exercising more, though that certainly helps. It's about perfectly timing your nutrition to work with your body's natural muscle building clock. This strategy becomes incredibly powerful when the right ingredients are combined with caffeine, making your morning coffee the perfect, unexpected delivery system. I've personally seen this simple morning ritual help hundreds of people regain strength they thought was gone forever. And the best part is, you can start today with ingredients that cost less than $5. Today, I'm thrilled to share 3 powerful science-backed additions you can easily make to your morning coffee. The second of these is particularly remarkable, as it's something most doctors never mention. Yet it not only feeds your muscles exactly what they need to grow stronger, but also helps protect your joints, keeping you flexible and agile. Forget about complicated pills or expensive treatments. These are straightforward, natural ways to significantly enhance your daily routine. We're going to dive deep into each one, explaining how it works in plain, easy-to-understand language, so you can fully grasp the incredible benefits awaiting you. Let's begin with the first ingredient, and this might genuinely surprise you because it's probably sitting in your pantry right now: dark cocoa powder. Adding just 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa powder to your morning coffee has been shown to significantly increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%. Think of this as turbocharging your body's ability to build and repair muscle fibers, especially in crucial areas like your legs, giving them the fundamental building blocks they desperately need to get stronger and more resilient. The reason it works is beautifully simple. Cocoa is packed with powerful natural compounds called flavonoids, especially something known as epicatechin. These amazing compounds act like little road builders in your body, improving blood flow directly to your muscles and helping them use protein much more efficiently. It's like opening up high-speed highways that deliver vital nutrients straight to your leg muscles precisely when they need them the most, in the morning when your body is primed for growth after an overnight fast. Using dark cocoa powder is incredibly easy. Begin by stirring just 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder into your morning coffee. Mix it thoroughly until it's completely dissolved. If you find the taste a bit too bitter initially, a small amount of honey or stevia can make it more palatable without adding unhealthy sugars. The absolute key here is timing. For maximum benefit, drink this enhanced coffee within 30 minutes of waking up, when your body is in its most receptive state for muscle building and repair. After about a week, if you enjoy the taste and feel the benefits, you can comfortably increase it to 2 tablespoons. A word of caution: if you're sensitive to caffeine, you might consider using decaffeinated coffee or even a herbal coffee alternative. Also, because cocoa can enhance circulation, it's wise for anyone taking blood thinners to have a quick chat with their doctor first, just to be safe. I once worked with Helen, a vibrant 67-year-old from Ohio, who found herself struggling with a common yet frustrating problem. Climbing her basement stairs to do laundry had become a daunting chore. Just 3 weeks after consistently adding cocoa powder to her morning coffee routine, she excitedly reported back that she was taking those stairs 2 at a time again. The positive change wasn't confined to just her legs. She also felt a noticeable boost in energy and overall vitality throughout her day. While cocoa helps build your muscles during the day, the next ingredient we'll discuss works like a dedicated night shift crew, quietly repairing and strengthening your muscles while you sleep, making sure you wake up feeling even stronger. Before we unveil this next incredible ingredient, I'd love to hear from you. Where in the world are you watching from today? Drop your city and country in the comments below. I always enjoy seeing our global community. Plus, as a special thank you, I've put together a free muscle building meal guide specifically tailored for people over 60, complete with ideal serving sizes and timing strategies that truly work. You'll find the link conveniently placed in the first comment of this video, so don't forget to grab your copy. Our second powerful ingredient is collagen peptides. Adding collagen peptides to your morning coffee is like sending a targeted repair crew directly to your muscles. It provides them with the precise amino acids they need to rebuild and strengthen themselves, acting as an essential building block. But the benefits don't stop there. Collagen also plays a crucial role in protecting your joints from wear and tear, and surprisingly, can even improve your overall balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls. The science behind this is fascinating. As we gracefully age, our bodies produce about 1% less collagen each year after we turn 20. Collagen isn't just about youthful skin. It's the fundamental scaffolding that holds your entire body together, including your muscles, bones, and connective tissues. When you consistently add collagen peptides to your coffee, you're providing your body with pre-digested protein that it can instantly absorb and use. This rapidly goes to work repairing tiny muscle fibers damaged from daily activity and strengthening the vital connective tissue surrounding your joints, which is crucial for pain-free movement and flexibility. Incorporating collagen peptides is incredibly simple. Just add 1 scoop, which is typically about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides to your cocoa-enhanced coffee. You'll find that it dissolves completely without altering the taste or texture, making it an effortlessly seamless addition to your morning routine. The true beauty of collagen is how it works synergistically with the cocoa's flavonoids. Together, they create the perfect internal environment for both robust muscle growth and superior joint protection. When choosing collagen, always opt for sources derived from grass-fed animals if possible, as these are typically higher quality. If you follow a vegetarian lifestyle, there are excellent plant-based amino acid blends available that offer similar benefits, though their specific mechanisms might differ slightly from animal-derived collagen. Consider Paul, a 72-year-old retired carpenter from Texas, who came to me feeling disheartened because his knees were so stiff and achy that he could no longer enjoy his cherished morning walks with his wife. After just 6 consistent weeks of this very coffee routine, Paul not only resumed his walks with newfound ease, but also started helping his neighbor with small home repairs again, tasks he thought were long beyond him. His wife beamingly told me it was like having the old Paul back, vibrant and active. While these first 2 ingredients diligently focus on building and repairing, this third vital addition is entirely centered on sustained energy and endurance, ensuring you feel strong and capable throughout your entire day. Our third incredible ingredient is MCT oil. Adding just 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to your now powerfully enhanced coffee provides a remarkably sustained energy boost that not only feeds your muscles but also sharpens your brain for hours, completely avoiding that dreaded afternoon crash that often leaves you feeling weak and depleted. The reason this works so effectively lies in what MCT stands for: medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike most regular fats, which take hours for your body to break down and digest, MCTs have a unique structure that allows them to go straight to your liver, converting into readily available energy within minutes. This rapid energy source directly fuels your body's muscle-building processes, helping you stay active and alert. Remember, active muscles are happy and strong muscles, and MCT oil gives you the stamina to keep them that way from morning till night. To begin with MCT oil, start gradually, using just half a teaspoon, and then slowly increase to a full teaspoon over the course of a week as your body adjusts. Add it last, after you've already stirred in the cocoa and collagen, and make sure to mix it thoroughly. Some people absolutely love to use a small blender for about 10 seconds. This not only ensures perfect dispersion, but also creates a wonderfully creamy, frothy texture that feels like a luxurious treat. It is important to start slowly with MCT oil, as too much too fast can sometimes cause temporary digestive upset. Also, if you have any existing gallbladder issues, it's always best to consult your doctor before introducing it into your routine. As a good alternative, coconut oil can also be used, though its energy conversion is a bit slower than pure MCT oil. Linda, a 65-year-old grandmother from sunny Florida, shared her story with me, explaining that she used to need a nap every single afternoon just to function and get through her day. After consistently adding MCT oil to her morning coffee routine, a remarkable shift occurred. She not only stopped needing those afternoon naps, but found herself enthusiastically keeping up with her energetic 4-year-old grandson at the playground. She affectionately calls it her grandma fuel, a testament to the sustained energy it provides. Now, while knowing what to add to your coffee is undeniably important, here's something absolutely crucial that most people miss. The real magic isn't just in the ingredients themselves, but precisely when you drink it, and most importantly, how consistently you integrate it into your life. Your muscles operate on a natural rhythm. They are most receptive to receiving building materials and nourishment in the morning, especially after a period of overnight fasting. This enhanced coffee works its absolute best when it's consumed within 30 minutes of waking up, ideally before you eat anything else. This strategic timing ensures your body utilizes those potent ingredients at the moment it's most primed for muscle repair and growth. Remember this golden rule: consistency beats perfection every single time. It is far more effective and beneficial to faithfully have this muscle-building coffee 5 days a week for a month than to try for perfect adherence every single day for just 1 week and then give up. Your muscles truly adapt and grow stronger through regular, repeated, and consistent nutritional support. So make it a habit you enjoy. I know exactly what some of you might be thinking right now. This sounds too simple to actually work, or perhaps, I've tried everything before and nothing ever seems to stick. And I completely understand those feelings. After 60, we've often been bombarded by promises that simply didn't deliver, leading to disappointment and skepticism. But here's what makes this approach profoundly different. It's not about some overnight magical transformation or an unrealistic quick fix. Instead, it's about providing your body with the highly specific, targeted nutrients it genuinely needs, precisely when it needs them most, and in a form it can readily absorb and use effectively. Much of the advice around muscle building tends to focus exclusively on exercise, but the truth, especially as we age, is that proper nutrition timing is equally, if not more, important for tangible results. So, let me walk you through the complete, easy morning ritual that has helped so many wonderful people regain not just their physical strength, but also their confidence and joy for life. First, brew your regular coffee, typically about 8 to 10 ounces. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, stirring until it's fully dissolved. Next, incorporate 1 scoop of collagen peptides, mixing it thoroughly until it disappears completely. Finally, add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. For the absolute best, most delicious texture, I recommend giving it a quick blend for about 10 seconds or a very vigorous stir. Remember to drink this within 30 minutes of waking up, ideally before your first meal, to maximize its benefits. The true power here lies in how the combination works synergistically. Each ingredient enhances the others, creating a sum far greater than its parts. The cocoa improves crucial blood flow and provides protective antioxidants. The collagen gives your muscles the vital building blocks they crave, and the MCT oil delivers sustained, clean energy throughout your morning and beyond. Now let's talk about what you can realistically expect from this routine. In just the first week, you might already notice a difference in having more sustained energy throughout your morning, avoiding that typical mid-morning slump. By week 2, many people report feeling noticeably steadier and more balanced on their feet, an invaluable improvement for everyday confidence. After 3 to 4 weeks, you may find that it's surprisingly easier to get up from chairs, climb a flight of stairs without gasping for breath, or effortlessly carry your groceries. It's important to remember that everyone's body responds at its own pace. Some people experience changes more quickly, while others take a little longer. The most crucial factors are your consistent effort and maintaining a kind, patient attitude with yourself. Before starting any new nutrition routine, especially if you are currently taking medications or managing existing health conditions, it is profoundly important to have a conversation with your trusted healthcare provider. This consultation is particularly critical if you are on blood thinners, diabetes medications, or if you have any digestive issues, as these ingredients, while generally safe for most, can interact. Your doctor knows your specific medical situation best and can offer personalized advice. Please understand that this enhanced coffee routine is designed to complement a healthy lifestyle and certainly doesn't replace necessary medical care or prescribed treatments. It's an empowering tool to support your well-being, not a substitute for professional guidance. Your strength and independence don't have to become a thing of the past. Every single morning, you are presented with a new, wonderful opportunity to nourish your muscles, invest in your physical autonomy, and truly make the most of where you are right now. This isn't about desperately trying to turn back the clock to a forgotten era. It's about making today and every day moving forward as strong and vibrant as possible. To recap the incredible trifecta for building strength over 60, we have dark cocoa powder for robust muscle building and improved circulation, collagen peptides for essential structural support and joint comfort, and MCT oil for powerful, sustained energy that lasts. Combined with your morning coffee and timed perfectly when your body is most ready to build and repair, you've got a natural powerhouse at your fingertips. The absolute best part is you can truly start tomorrow morning with ingredients that will likely cost you less than a single meal out. Which of these three incredible ingredients will you try first in your morning coffee? I'd absolutely love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, you might also want to check out my other video on the 5 best exercises you can do right from your kitchen chair to strengthen your legs even faster. Remember, small, consistent changes truly create the most powerful and lasting results. Here's to stronger, more confident days ahead.